y'all, and welcome back to Our Road Less Traveled. Today we're doing a video on something really cool.
We had a manufacturer that reached out to us that gave us access to 2 brand new models that nobody has ever seen. Alright guys, this is the new east to west Blackthorn.
As you kind of work your way around, the structure and construction of the units not changed, right? We're still doing laminate slide walls, slide roofs, nice powder coated outdoor kitchen. The best part of it is, like, a lot of times when you mount that TV out there, you lose your storage. And so what our production team did was try and find a way where you could still have storage and still have a TV if you wanted it, right? Because what we try and do here is create flexibility for the end user. Because if you look at all the way, the way campers are built, like, not everybody camps the same. Things are always different for every single user. And so you can get this floor plan with or without an outdoor kitchen. You have a gray stone or a capital grill, and then at the end of the day, if it's too tall, you can just pop this off. Put it on the table right next to your quick connect. You can cook down here. Because when you get up to our 3700 Blackthorn, our 3800 or 3801, that's on 7,000 pound axle, so it goes up even more.
Okay.
We did include the 2-inch towing hitch, which is a really cool feature. We wanted people to have that flexibility. You can still use it as a cargo rack, or you can tow something behind you. It's not legal everywhere, and not everybody's comfortable with it, but what it allows you to do is give you that peace of mind. If you ever had to, you could. And then we also went to a 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. So you'll see that there.
On-demand water heater.
So not a little 40,000 either. We went to the big 60. Just jumped the gun on that. You still have your docking station here, which you guys should be familiar with. What we also did was, now we've created access here. So if you needed to get in there, look at anything, tension anything, you have that ability. So nice. We've also framed in our entire opening here, past there. And then that LED light with sensors over on the far side. Yep, dedicated air vent, all that good stuff, heat coming to it. That's your king bed slide. So. But man, really what we were going through with this exterior, just a sleek automotive exterior, automotive paint front cap, all black. Just, we're trying to really clean it up, make it just, the appearance of it. It's actually been pretty slick. People seem to like it quite a bit. So,
yes. I think
that's
we're going to get one of those.
We did work with one of our suppliers and create workstation ottoman. So that does pop up. You can work on it and everything. And then at the end of the day, you still have a cushion, so you're not sitting on wood.
Yeah.
So that's a nice little touch, because again, that does slide out wherever you want it. We did try to create a little bit of hidden storage.
Yeah.
Like I said, you got the cool roll-up ottoman. We did go to, to match our exterior. We kind of went with the flat black glass to kind of bring it a little more modern. You still get the nice 78-inch easy out, but we did include some hidden storage on each side.
Yep.
So, and then if you notice here, you have your USB charger on each side.
Nice.
We did decide, along the fact of the modularity, giving customers how they want to use it. We include island top extenders on each side of your island.
So many people I've seen have these.
I know. That's when we released the Ahara, and people were like, "Can I get it for my Tandera?" Like, yeah, we sent out a ton of them.
Yeah.
So it's a nice little touch.
It is so nice.
And then you guys are, where most of this is pretty much stayed the same. We still kept the adjustable shelving in the pantry, outlet and everything, coat rack, nice clean there.
Yeah.
If you notice, all the motion activated lights just came on. So again, very spacious bathroom. Big medicine cabinet. You've got your LED light up there. Towel rack. Commode. That's going to be your heater vent right there. So again, nothing is in the floor to get debris in it. Comes with a max air fan.
It's got a garbage can.
That's a garbage can.
Toilet paper holder.
Toilet paper holder.
Storage.
It's not going to accidentally fly open, is it?
No. And I love that they're putting these hooks on the wall now.
Yeah, I like that too. And then the bedroom.
That's beautiful, actually.
Again, you've got a slide top. The beautiful thing about the slide top is if you're working, you can actually work from this.
It's deep.
You've got your air conditioning, your lights, your dimmer, all on this side. Your lights pop on and off on the side. Wall outlets. There's your heater vent. Now this one does have the flip up bed. If you notice, there's 2 extra chairs in there. I'm assuming that's to sit at the bar. There's your motion activated lights for nighttime when you get up. And then there's your USB and power. There's your trays above the windows for your CPAP. And in this rig, I believe your washer and dryer are built into this unit right there with the access panel below it. They've added hooks to the top. Of course, you've got your motion activated sensor right there. So again, it's got a massive pass-through. It's got your Nautilus system on it. Comes an on-demand water heater. Again, that's your heater, 50 amp service. Light down at the bottom, it's your dump valve. Drain tanks. This is going to be the kitchen slide. Now, this unit is also, I believe, an outdoor kitchen. So on this one, the sofa and the fireplace are going to be reversed. This is going to be made on the same line as the Tandera, so you're going to see some similarities between the two. Again, nice big tail lights, LED tail lights on the back. That's going to be your freshwater. I love that, by the way. I love having a freshwater on this side of the RV, and the reason why is when you get ready to clean your outdoor kitchen, you need access to water other than a sink. This one has a televator in it. Nice heavy duty door. You notice slam latches on both sides. Has a Solera awning with LEDs built into it. Now, if this were the non-OK version, meaning outside kitchen, you'd have 2 windows right here that are the same size. Goodyear Endurance tires. And this is a 3101 rear living outdoor kitchen. Nice roof line. The graphics on it are just incredible. So that you also have an outdoor shower on this side. This is going to have the Rhino box pin box on it. Again, it should be a 21,000 pound. It is, and this one has the same 5250. On the inside, it's got all your charge controllers and batteries and whatnot. This one is going to be a 4-point auto level. Again, it's going to be Lippert, and I think it's the controller, the Command 3. Again, nice rollers on the underbody of the slide. I like these little safety lights right here. Gives you a little bit of visibility into the corner of that thing when you're setting up so you don't bump your head. The front cap on this is just beautiful. And I just figured something out. This has 3 light mode intensities. Ours only has 1, and the button is way bigger. Ours has just a little knob right there. Beautiful. You don't see a lot of rigs with a black cap on them. So this unit is going to come, again, this is the Lippert door. So adding a dog protective screen to the front of it is very easy. It's harder to do with a Dexter. Then you have your dimmer switches, turn your lights on and off. Your max air. This is your thermostat for your AC unit. And again, the classic east to west panel that's got everything on it that you could need, from your battery to your black tank 1 and 2 gray tanks. So if I'm not mistaken, this thing has 45-gallon black tank, and then it has 2 45-gallon gray tanks, but you can equalize them, so you get a total of 90 gallons of storage. So that's between your kitchen and your bathroom. Now, like I was saying earlier, this is the outdoor kitchen model, so your sofa and your TV would be flipped in if you didn't have the outdoor kitchen. I love this 12-volt refrigerator. So that refrigerator is just, and it's cold, y'all. I wish y'all could feel how cold this is. Of course, it's no frost. Vegetable safe. You've got your LED light built in. Again, you've got your standard cooktop, countertops.
A decorative backsplash.
Now, what is new this backsplash, and it looks like
It looks like tile.
but it's not textured. It's like a linoleum almost. It's a hard surface, which means it's going to be easy to clean.
Yeah.
and it's not going to break very easily. So the microwave, I think, is just a standard residential microwave. Again, same cabinets. Your pantry, this is really, to me, where east to west shines. Their pantry is just massive. And every one of the shelves on this side are 100% adjustable, so you can change them to whatever height you want. It also can double as a coat closet, and then you've got the units on that side. It's held together with magnetic locks. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but that closes. That is not a weak. That's not a weak closure at all. The detail in the framing around the windows, really nice. Pull-out drawer where you can store your whatnots. You've got the solid bench surface on this side, and then you've got your 2 chairs on that side. Again, big BTU fireplace with a thermostat built in, so you can set the temperature to 72 or 65, not just high or low. And nice big TV there. On your end caps, you've got power and USB. Beautiful sofa, very soft sofa.
So that wraps up this video on the east to west.
It does, and depending upon when you're seeing this, we're not sure if we're going to get clearance to release this before or after Hershey.
Yeah.
If it's before Hershey, come see us in Hershey. You'll probably find us somewhere around the east to west booth, hanging out and mulling around. But come check the models out. We'll make sure you get a walkthrough of it.